guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So, let's start. Firefox. In the Firefox it's a simple way, just click here on this zero mask. But if you have any tab opened before, just click on the taskbar icon and switch to the zero mask again and tap Add tab. That's it. Now Microsoft Edge. Like before, tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. That's it. The next one is Google Chrome. In the Google Chrome, just click here on this arrow icon or 3-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. And the last one, Opera. Like before in the Mozilla and Microsoft Edge, tap on this taskbar icon, go to the private and add a tab. And now your secrets are safe. The cache files and the history will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.